Hey there. I hope everybody's all right. I just also wanted to cover this present perfect. Okay. For those who don't really know what present perfect is also a very beautiful construction in English. I remember last time I gave you a little bit of present perfect information, but there's some people who wanted to actually see. They wanted me to simplify. Okay, they did not understand the formulas, so I thought it was important for me to cover it this way. I know this is the easiest way. Okay, I'm sure everybody is going to be very comfortable with it after this short lecture. I know it's not gonna make you perfect, but it's going to be make you really comfortable with it, and you're gonna have a lot of fun with it. So I wanted to cover it. At first, I always like to make sure that you understand what present perfect is. Okay, present perfect is a tense. Okay, that is also in present time, but the thing is, it is used to show the relationship between present time and past time. Okay, so what does that mean? It shows the relationship between the action that is going on right now in relation to what happened in the past. Okay, so what happened in the past is the result of what can or cannot be done right now. Okay, it's the result of the action that can be done or cannot be done right now. Okay, so is in that I just want you to get a little bit of understanding of it in order for you to know in what situation, okay, am I going to be able to use this present perfect. And for those who also come from different languages, they understand that present perfect is not available, okay, to other languages. It's not available to a lot of languages. So this is a special. It is special, okay, part of English. Okay, so there are some people, English speakers, who are having problem using this. They're having a lot of problems using present perfect. So you're not alone. Okay, I was just like you, but with a little bit of practice, things became a little bit better for me, and I'm sure I'll be able to really show you the way. I'm not too blind on it, so I'll be able to shine the light for you. After understanding what is a present perfect, so a present perfect is the tense that we use to show, okay, the relationship between the action, okay, or non-action of the present time and the action that happened in the past, okay, or the activity that happened in the past. So it's like this, whatever is going on right now is a result of the action that was completed in the past. Okay, so how do we make this present perfect tense sentence? Okay, a present perfect tense is actually simple. The formula is really not complicated, because this present perfect need you to use auxiliary verb has or have. Okay, so this two, okay, actually is only one auxiliary verb, but have, if you're using, it depends on the subject now. So let's just separate the two. Okay, have and has, excuse me, has and have, they function here as auxiliary verb. They're used to talk about they're helping us to make a sentence that is in present perfect. So anytime you see has and have as an auxiliary in a sentence, that means that sentence is in present what? Perfect. Okay, I hope you get a little out there. So So what is the difference between have and has? If we're saying that has and have, they have the same similar function. Okay? They act the same. So what is the difference? So the difference is very simple. The difference is the subject. Okay? The difference is the subject. So the subject determines what is it that I should use now. Should I use has or have? Okay? So the subjects that I normally use are personal pronouns. We have 7 personal pronouns, which is a personal pronoun I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. So has can be used with 3 of them. That is he, she, and it. So if you're talking about a lady, you're going to use auxiliary verb has. If you're talking about a boy, you're going to use auxiliary verb has. If you're talking about rain, okay, or a lion, okay, or a dog, okay, or a laptop, okay, all this you're using auxiliary verb has. Okay, if you're talking about yourself, I have, you have, okay, they have, we have, okay, but she has, it has, he has. Okay, so you see that is exactly what you need to do, okay, in order to separate the two. You just need to worry about the subject. So the subject will determine what is it that you need to use. Okay, so you understand up to there. So auxiliary verb, we covered that part. That is has and have. These two are used in present perfect. But has and have is not enough. Okay, you have to also to determine how is my verb going to be like. I'm talking about the main verb now. Your main verb has to be in past perfect form. Sorry, past participle form. Okay, past participle form we also call it verb 3. Okay, because any verb in English can change into from verb 1 to verb 2 to verb 3. For example, a verb go. Okay, a verb go, verb 1 for that is go. That is infinitive. Okay, verb 2 for that is went. Verb 3 is going to be gone. Okay, so we're going, instead of using go, that is verb 1, or went, that is verb 2, we're going to use gone. Okay, so let's get an example for that. For example, if I want to make a sentence, okay, using auxiliary verb has, that is in present perfect, so I will say Majuma has gone to school. Okay, Majuma has gone to school. So whatever that you're telling me to tell Majuma, I cannot. Why? Because Majuma has already gone to school. So you can see, present perfect is talking about the present, that whatever that you want to do with Majuma, whatever you want to tell Majuma, is not possible at this time. Why? Because Majuma has already performed the action of going. Okay? She has already gone. Okay? So is that clear? Okay, very good. And if we're asking a question in present perfect, okay, we use the auxiliary verb. So auxiliary verb means has or have. For instance, I want to ask you, okay, if you did something, okay, that the action is done, I'll ask you, have you gone to see your mom? Have you played football? Okay, that means, did you perform that action? Is the action complete? Okay, very good. Thank you very much, guys. I think we're gonna end here for today. If you have any question, you know where to get us. You just come back to the blog and you leave a little comment. Okay, let us know what is it that we can do for you. So if you find any subject that you want us to clarify, you can actually leave it there and say, hey, sir, Teacher Moody, I want you to help me with this, and then I will get back to you and I will try to let you know how that subject goes. Okay, so if you don't mind, I would like to end here, and I also want to say hi to those good people. Okay, miss you guys very much, Midle, Sharif, and Osman. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.